Hello, welcome to today's daily message. On this Tuesday in Holy Week, we read in today's gospel reading from the 13th chapter of the Gospel of John, two stories of betrayal. The first takes place at the Last Supper, and Jesus is asked who is going to betray him. And Jesus says, "The one to whom I give the piece of bread in which I have dipped, that is the person who will betray me." And it is Judas who is given this piece of bread. And so we learn that Judas will be the betrayer. And then Jesus predicts that Peter, one of his beloved apostles, will also betray him. And Peter says, "I would lay down my life for you." And Jesus answers him by saying, "Before the cock crows, you will deny me 3 times. We would all like to believe that we would never betray Jesus, as either Judas or Peter did. Yet there are times in our lives when there are betrayals. There are values that we hold dear to ourselves, and yet we don't always live up to them. We've all made commitments to other people, our loved ones, and yet we don't always honor them. We all make promises to those whom we love, and yet we don't always keep them. And in this, the person whom we betray most of all is ourselves, because we are not living up to the truth that we are, the truth that God made us to be. And so by doing these small betrayals, we are not only betraying ourselves, but we are betraying the God who made us, and we are betraying those who love us. The season of Lent, which is now drawing to a close, is a season of purification. It's a season in which we are invited and called to live more deeply in the truth. We are called to realize that we are made by God to love, that we're made to forgive. We are made to show mercy, to be just, and to make peace. Thank you for watching, and have a great day today.